Exclusive webinar. How to generate $28,368 or more in the next 30 days. Discover the proven formula that can generate automated leads and sales that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes. Watch exactly how to generate $28,368 or more in the next 30 days, even if you are a beginner and don't have any technical knowledge. Hurry! You don't want to miss this. You'll learn how to generate $28,368 from ClickBank SuperFunnel with zero paid ads. 27 minutes question and answer session to clear all your doubts. How you can set up this proven system and be ready to generate leads and sales in as little as 27 minutes from a standing start. This exclusive webinar is instructed by Thornhill, a top 1% Platinum ClickBank seller whose digital products have netted him $5+ million in personal profits. Since 2006, he's helped over 3,000 entrepreneurs start or grow their online businesses. These days, John specializes in helping freedom-focused individuals build a successful online business, even if they don't consider themselves experts and have no idea where to start. This is an extremely limited and time-sensitive offer. Click the link below this video and get access now.